In this video, I'll show you how to remove third-party app access from your Google account. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. You can also get there by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner of any Google service and selecting Manage Your Google Account. Once you are on your Google account dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Security. On mobile, you will find this in the top menu instead. Once you are inside the Security section, scroll down until you see a section called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Click on See All Connections to expand the full list of apps and websites that have access to your Google account. Browse through the list and find the app or service you want to remove. Click on it to open its details. You will then see an option that says Delete All Connections or Remove Access. Click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Click Confirm, and the app will no longer have access to your Google account. Repeat this process for any other apps you want to disconnect. It is a good habit to go through this list regularly and remove any apps you no longer use to keep your account secure. Now that's how you do it.